A puppy!
Don't worry, you're safe now.
Where is your family? Oh no, you're hurt.
School can wait. Let's help you first. Don't worry, we'll get you help. Let's take a look at your little friend. Good news, he'll be okay. Let's see if we can find the owner. They're on their way. Buddy? I missed you so much. Thank you for saving him. He got scared during the storm. Buddy is part of our family. Buddy.
Thank you for saving Buddy.
Why did you help him? Because he needed someone. Ethan, we're proud of you.
Kindness matters more than being late.
This is for you. I'll never forget this.
Bye, Ethan. Take care, buddy.
Come in, Ethan. I'm proud of you. Good job, Ethan! Kindness makes the world better. Welcome home, Ethan. How was your day?
It was unforgettable. Someone gave this to me today.
That's beautiful.
I'll always remember today.
Catch me, buddy.
Today feels different.
Every act of kindness makes our community stronger.
If I see an animal in trouble, I'll help too. That's the right thing to do. Buddy wanted to see you again.
He remembers you. That's his favorite ball. Go get it, buddy! Let's take a picture together.
Buddy.
You'll always be part of Buddy's story. I'll never forget you, Buddy.
Good morning, Ethan. Good morning.
This week is gonna be fun.
Today, we're celebrating kindness.
Everyone, add your leaf.
Look! Look! That's Ethan.
Buddy. He missed you so much.
This is what kindness looks like.
Come on, buddy. He's so happy.
Take care, my friend.
Ready to go home, buddy?
See you again, buddy.